In today's video, I'll show you how to display the Tidio Chat Bot on specific pages of your website. This is useful when you want the chat widget to appear only where it adds value and stay hidden on pages where it might be distracting. To begin, log into your Tidio dashboard. Once you are inside, head over to the settings section. This is where you control how your chat widget behaves across your site. Next, go to the Live Chat tab and open Appearance. In this area, you're not just adjusting how the chat looks, but also where it shows up. Look for the option called Visibility and Position. This is the key section for controlling page level display. Inside these settings, you'll find an option labeled Hide on specific pages. Here, you can enter the exact page URLs where you do not want the chatbot to appear. This works well for pages like checkout, thank you pages, or internal confirmation pages. If your site has multiple pages with similar URLs, you can also use partial URLs. For example, if all your blog pages follow the same structure, entering that partial path will hide the chatbot from every blog page at once. This saves time and gives you better control. After entering the URLs, double-check them to avoid mistakes. Once everything looks correct, save your changes. The chatbot will now only appear on the pages you've allowed. And that's it. You've successfully customized where your Tidio chatbot shows on your website, creating a cleaner and more focused experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching.